Hello, I'm Systainer, and we're gonna do a Systainer fit out. Today, we're gonna fit out the Systainer³ M187, and we're gonna put in a bunch of biking maintenance stuff. Because of the items we're putting in, we don't really need any specific lid compartment. We're not trying to protect anything, and I don't think we need any specific sort of base either. When you have a large volume like this, what I like to do in storage is subdivide things up. And so I've got some other elements here that we might draw upon. I've got this little electronic case, and of course, we've got the Systainer S76s as well. Beyond the case, just some plastic bags. I mean, super simple. So let's get to it here. So keeping the cables and the lights together just kind of makes for a nice, clean, neat organization. And then I'm just gonna set this inside the case here. I have done my fair share of bike maintenance. So I've got a handful of tools that really help. One is this small ratchet set from Weehaw. And I like to pair that actually with this T-handle. And I'm gonna store them in an S76. There's no foam, no fanciness to this. I toss them in. It's a singular gathering spot. So I'm gonna just drop those in there, close that up, and then also toss this in here. I could take something like this bike light. I can leave that on top because we're going to be more likely to grab that. Something else I could throw in with the tools is I do like to carry some of these nitrile gloves. Sometimes, you know, your fingers are greasy and you just want to keep from getting your fingers dirty. So I'm going to toss those in with the tools. There's a bike lock. I throw that in there. Wind protection. Keep those tears from freezing in the corners of your eyes. I got bike gloves. I like to keep the bike gloves in there. I've got just a little bit of paracord, just a couple lengths in case I got to strap something on a bike. And to that end, I've got a handful of cable ties that I like to take as well. Chain cleaner. This is more of like an annual maintenance kind of thing. So now I've got these three bags. I've got a gallon size bag and then more sandwich size bag. These bags work well for compartmentalizing. I've got some different lubricants, so I keep those together since they're all similar lubricants. This next bag is a little bit more tire focused. A couple caps for the Schrader valves, some of the peel and stick patches, some of this tube sealant. I'd like to have some of this with me as I go, just in case I'm mid-ride and I need to get my tire running again. The last couple of things is just another bag with some degreasers and cleaners. So all in, this stuff fits pretty cleanly inside the M187. Every Systainer should have some sort of label. So I will put together a label card and add this to my garage collection. I'm Systainer from Systainer USA, and this has been a Systainer fit out.